Well, you see it there. People are cleaning up today after the valley was hit hard by torrential rain, causing some flooding out there.
This video from downtown, the massive storm that rolled through caused serious problems, shutting down roads, causing cars to stall and knocking down power lines. Rain, hail, wind, thunder, lightning barreled through the Treasure Valley and other parts of southwestern Idaho last night.
And people in Meridian and Kuna saw blowing dust. Look at this ring video of severe winds. These are photos and videos from our Idaho Weather Watchers Facebook page of the storm.
And the heavy rain caused severe flooding, causing the I-184 connector to close down for some time last night. But Idaho State Police did open it back up this morning. You can see how deep the water got there.
There were also power outages around the area, but an Idaho Power spokesperson told us they're mainly around Bruno and Mountain Home.
And while this storm is over, please be careful while you're driving in case of any downed trees. Ada County Highway District says you can report those to non-emergency dispatch.
And meteorologist Rachel Garceau has been busy in the Weather Center. Rachel, just wild weather out there that we saw.
It was intense. And what's so interesting about this, you guys, is that while all that was happening, if you were in places like Nampa or Caldwell, like we were last night, watching the storms happen, you didn't get any of that. We had a sprinkle of rain. We did have a few gusty winds come through. But meanwhile, in Boise and surrounding areas, this is what was going on. Look at some of our rain totals from yesterday. Albertson Stadium reported 1.85 inches of rain by the time it was all said and done. That was kind of the bullseye, right over downtown, Albertson Stadium, that area. Boise Airport, which will be our official precipitation total for Boise for yesterday, 0.56 inches, about 2/3 of an inch for southeast Boise and portions of the north end, and just a little more than that over towards Warm Springs. On the wind front, look at Mountain Home, a 60-mile-per-hour gust recorded in Mountain Home. The darker colors you see there indicate much greater winds. So yes, it was a very windy, very rainy afternoon, and it was hot before all of that hit. 92 was the recorded high temperature in Boise. And remember, heat feeds thunderstorms. So you combine those temperatures with all of the instability, all of that deep available moisture. That was the perfect setup for that storm to take place. Today, we are unfortunately seeing a little more of the same. We're 87 in Boise right now. And look at this. We already have storms firing off across the central mountains, now spilling over into North Ada County, reaching for Mountain Home and Elmore County. We'll time out when these storms could arrive and what it looks like for the rest of your night and the rest of the week coming up in just a little bit.